In this video, I am going to discuss encoder. An encoder is a code converter circuit which is used to convert an active input signal into a coded output signal. An encoder is a combinational circuit that performs the reverse operation of the decoder. An encoder has 2 power n or less number of inputs and n number of outputs. The output lines of an encoder generate the binary code for the 2 power n input variables. It will produce a binary code equivalent to the input which is active high. So it should be noted that encoders have more number of input lines and less number of output lines. This is the block diagram representation of encoder. So the encoder has more number of input lines and less number of output lines. So here the original binary information is encoded into another form. So here 2 power n input lines and enable inputs and n output lines. 4 to 2 encoder. So 4 to 2 encoder, from the name itself we can see 4 inputs and 2 outputs. The 4 inputs are Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 and the 2 outputs are A1 and A0. So at any time only one of these 4 inputs can be 1 in order to get the respective binary code at the output. This is the function table for 4 to 2 encoder. The inputs are Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0 and the outputs are A1, A0. So at any time only one input is active. So for when input Y0 is active, the outputs are 0, 0. And when input Y1 is active, the outputs are 0, 1. And the input Y2 is active, the outputs are 1, 0. And the input Y3 is activated, the output is 1, 1. So now the A1 output is Y2 plus Y3. And A0 output is Y1 plus Y3. So this is the logic diagram representation of an 4 to 2 encoder. This is the block diagram representation for decimal to BCD encoder. We can also say as 10:4 encoder. Here we have 10 input lines D0 to D9 and 4 output lines ABCD. This is the function table for decimal to BCD encoder. The 10 inputs are D0 to D9 represented here and the outputs are ABCD. And for 0, 0, 0 output combination, input D0 is selected. 0, 0, 1 combination, input D1 is selected. 0, 0, 1, 0 input 2 is selected. Similarly, all the 10 inputs are selected to the corresponding output signals. Now we are getting an expression from the truth table for output A. For output A, it's high at D8 and D9 combination. So we are writing the output A is equal to D8 plus D9. Similarly, for output B is high for D4, D5, D6 and D7. We are writing the expression for B. For C, the high outputs are D2, D3, D6 and D7. Similarly, for D output, D1, D3, D5, D7 and D9. So based on these expressions, we are going to draw the logic diagram. So this is the logical diagram representation for decimal to BCD encoder. The inputs are applied through 10 switches and the outputs are drawn by OR gates. These are the 4 outputs A, B, C, D. For example, the switch 3 is pressed. Then the switch 3 is connected to the gates C and D. So the output of C and D gates will be high. The remaining two gates outputs are 0, 0. So we will get the output is 0, 0, 1, 1. This way, all the inputs are pressed, we will get the simultaneous output at the switches. octal to binary encoder. In the octal to binary encoder, we have 8 inputs D0 to D7 and 3 outputs ABC. This is the truth table. The 8 inputs are D0 to D7 and the outputs are ABC. So the 3 outputs we can make 8 combinations. So 00 to 11. So when 000 is active, we will get D0 as an input, and 001 is active, D1 is output. 010 is active, D2 is connected, and when D3 is high, the outputs are 011. D4 is high, the output is 100. D5 is high, the output is 101. D6 is high, the output is 110. And D7 is high, the output is 111. Now the output for A is this combinations are D4, D5, D6, D7. So the output is D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. Similarly for B, for this combination the inputs are D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7. For C, it's D1, D3, D5 and D7. So this is the logical expression representation for ABC outputs. And for the ABC outputs, we got the logical diagram for the 3 outputs. The inputs are D0 to D7. It may also be noted that D0 input is not connected to any of the gates. So all the binary outputs A, B and C must be all zeros in this case. So these disadvantages can be eliminated by introducing another output that indicating all the inputs are not logic 0. Anyhow, this type of encoder is not available in IC package because it's not easy to implement with all gates and not much of the gates are used. The type of encoder available in IC package is called priority encoder. These encoders establish an input priority to ensure that only highest input priority is encoded. Thank you.